A? With K.
I'll be the analog arsonist, aiming at your arteries. All-seeing, abstract, analyze everything. Adding on, absolutely abolishing. Average amateur's arson.
She's just doing whatever you're just doing
Dirty
whatever you
Nazi.
want.
Think you're should draw a swastika on the head.
Right.
Think you're better than me?
Down with the axis powers.
You're on.
We're not on.
Central.
Yeah, you are.
What about the video rolling?
Keep this. There we go. I'll put it right there. Let's do the song.
Okay, hello. Okay. Welcome to the Velcro Fathoms Rumpus Rune program. I'm your host, Velcro Fathoms. This is the show where friends get together and play board games. Today's game is Chutes and Ladders, and I am sitting here, Jacob and Jermaine.
Hello.
Okay, fellas, in case you're wondering how to play Velcro Fathoms, it's a simple game here.
Velcro Fathoms.
I mean, we're playing Chutes and Ladders. Okay, actually, everyone grab your pieces. I'm going to be this little boy here.
I'm the red.
I want the guy with the nappy fro.
Okay, cool. And, okay, the way you play this game is we have the spin board. And you spin this little homie, and it'll land on a letter, or on a number. This is a number, numerical numbers. And say mine says 4, you move 4. And see how I, 1, 2, 3, 4, say I landed on this, I would shoot right up it. And if I landed on that, I would shoot right down it. And,
So shoots are bad.
yeah.
Wow, Jared, sounds like a great game.
But take care and observe, because at each ladder and shoot, there's a lesson to be learned.
That's the real world picture happening right now.
Okay, wow. Okay,
Wow.
so cool. So we're going to have some fun, right, guys?
Yeah.
Right.
Shoots
Now,
and
the way to
ladders.
decide who goes
Yeah.
first is by highest spin.
Ooh.
I'll just take the liberty since I have the card. And I've gotten a 6. Try to beat that, fellas.
Well, I'll try, though. It's impossible.
Come on, maybe you get a 7.
3.
Oh,
I didn't beat you.
close but no
Exactly
cigar.
half of
I got
we got
6
a tie.
also.
tiebreaker. Okay, we have a tiebreaker. I'll just spin since I'm right here.
Logical.
I've got.
And I got 6.
Okay, so you're going
Okay.
first, Jake.
Wait, what's it go? Clockwise?
If you turn the 6
Oh,
around,
boy.
that means
Yeah.
69.
Go, Jake.
No, it means 9.
6. You have some sort of curse?
1, 2, 3.
Wait, 1. You don't count the first one you're in.
Shut up.
Crack, that super duper wonder drug. Through years, only available on the black market. Now comes to you. Due to legal loopholes, our lawyers have discovered. That's right. No more painful irritation due to AIDS, syphilis, or gonorrhea. And stress, sleepless nights, forget about it. Crack is the ultimate elixir. Available in hundreds of U.S. cities, over the counter in your local drugstore, including Palo Alto and Menlo Park. That's right, you can find crack in your local drugstore.
Mommy, I can't go to school. I have a headache.
Now you go smoke some crack and then get your butt out onto that school bus before I give you a whooping.
Mommy, I feel better now. I can go to school.
Crack, that magical elixir. It's cracktastic.
Two.
Well, all right.
What happened to your sixes?
No. Now what just happened there, Jake?
I think I climbed the ladder.
You mowed the lawn.
Jeebers.
I
And
mowed
you
the
got
lawn.
to go to the circus. How cute.
What?
Wow.
Where the hell
You know,
did
when I used to mow the lawn, I never got to go to the circus.
Let's just mow the lawn. You get to go to the circus.
Yeah.
I got him one.
Nothing much. So what are you guys playing? What is that?
Ladders.
Oh.
It's my turn. It's your turn.
The game is the devil.
Hey, hey, people in the studio, how come we can hear our mics coming through too?
Hey, what's the deal there, huh?
Because we didn't have a mic check, remember?
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you guys.
Yeah, we're getting boring.
No.
No! I fell through the ice. Hypothermia time.
Have fun, you guys.
All right.
Okay,
Okay,
bye, Norma.
Good night. Silence.
Oh, yes.